Where did you get those love?
Annabelle May McDonald, Binibining 7, Iligan City.
And that exciting winsome smile. This Binibini. Where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze?
Blessy Villablanca, Binibini 30, province of Antique.
Who wouldn't love the way her skin is kissed by golden sunlight? This fascinating gem so rare.
Alisa Mildred Villarino, Binibini 11, province of Rizal.
Captivating, so exciting. This girl's will surely win your heart. Binibining Pilipinas.
Binibini 24, Radha Marie Cabot, Las Piñas City, District 2.
Nakakahumaling na ngiting kasama ng nakakatunaw nating hindi nga malayong ikaw ay
Maria Alexandra Mata, Binibini 28, Tarlac Province.
Binibining Pilipinas.
Kapatid, palakpakan po natin! Binibining Pilipinas candidates! Good morning, good morning, good morning!
Okay, let's give them mic.
At may hahabol, ating Binibining Pilipinas candidates from Good Morning Kapatid.
Ako?
Oh, sige.
Tawar. Saan talaga ba yun? Pinapractice niyo.
Angela Lagusan Castro, age is just a number.
Ikaw naman.
Ages 3, 4, 5, ulan. Teka, sandali. Ang gaganda ng mga dilag natin ngayon. Representing, of course, different provinces. Unahin na natin for Annabelle from Iligan City. Beautiful, beautiful place. Annabelle, your passion for championing children's rights manifested throughout all the things that you are doing. How are you with all these na ang dami-dami na pa-manage nyo pa ba yan? Your advocacies, everything that you have, all the preparation?
But when you have the drive, you can achieve anything you put your mind to.
Love it!
My advocacy for children's rights, I'm glad I found a family with Save the Children Philippines. They're an NGO. And when I hit hard times, I found it so hard to access legal and social care from my own experiences when I was 15. So I've always pursued this with Save the Children Philippines. We have a range of programs. We lobby bills like the Positive Parenting Bill in the Senate. And we also have Life Changer for Children programs that includes indigenous communities and really the grassroots level to access children and give them access to the rights that they deserve.
I like that you were saying grassroots kasi dyan talaga nagsisimula yan, di ba? Minsan kasi ngayon, when we have advocacies ang nangyayari, parang band-aid solution. But when you start from grassroots, that means from the very beginning, you nurture it.
And it's sustainable.
Amazing. Thank you, Annabelle. Okay.
Yeah, I'd like to ask naman si Alisa. Hi, good morning, Alisa. Okay. Medical representative ka by day, freelance content writer, o diba, by night, and you've done some environmental campaign. Ang tanong dito, paano mo ba pinagsasabay-sabay ito? Paano mo binabalance yung time mo to do all of these work?
Well, if you really do it all at once, talagang mahihirapan po kayo at mapapagod. But if you do it with all your heart and at the same time, you know how to balance your time and your responsibilities, you will be able to do well, especially if you're passionate about it. And that is what I have been doing.
Si Rada naman po, mga kapatid, currently a third-year BS Aircraft Maintenance Technology student. Napakahusay. The question is, paano mo napagsasabay yung iyong pag-aaral at alam naman natin napaka-hectic ng inyong schedule dahil trainings, guestings, ang dami niyong ginagawa.
So for me, as a student and as a Binibini, I guess you can't avoid being pulled at every direction. But the thing about being a student and being a worker as well, having a job, is that you have to know what to prioritize. And to me, it's both, because they're both my passions, of course. And time management is such a crucial aspect to this kind of situation. But there are moments when you think, oh, I didn't do this, I didn't do that. And it's important to stay in those moments to say that you're here, you're doing what you can, and you're trying your best. So be forgiving with yourself, especially for the student workers out there. So
Galing naman. Oo.
Okay, Alex. Let's go to Alex naman po, who is a medical professional and a beauty queen. You advocate for the recognition and importance of medical professionals in the healthcare system. Tell us more about your advocacy.
Well, just to share po, I had my 2 internship program, both public and private hospital, and I witnessed that there's a need for us to recognize our healthcare workers, especially medical technologists, radiologists, and nurses, that we are not only secluded on our fields, we must also be recognized in the public. That's why I am here, standing in front of you, to be their representation to the public po.
Of the healthcare. And
Of
alam
course,
naman natin,
sumandal tayo nung pandemic.
Jel, sila ang tinawag natin na frontliners.
Even
Diba?
until this point. Even until now.
Yes. Go.
Okay, kay
Debs.
Blessy naman from
Yes.
Antique. Blessy, you have humble beginnings. You used to work as a house cleaner at the age of 13 years old para makapag-fund ka ng pag-aaral mo. Paano ka na-shape ng mga experiences mo? And that's, for me, is commendable. Kasi ang hirap gawin yan na sa totoo lang when
At
you
that
start,
young age.
yes, and to be able to tell a story as humble as this nang hindi mo ikinahihiya. It's a big thing for all of us, empowering so many people like you and like ourselves to keep pushing forward at pwede kang may marating. Paano mo to ginagawa at paano yung journey mo going into the finals? Ay, inisip mo na ano bang mangyayari and how would you like to be represented kagaya ng mga kagaya natin na starting young, 13 eh.
Yes, so a lot of people may not believe this, but yes, I did work as a house cleaner ever since I was 13 up until I was 17. And then when I was 18, I worked at the BPO company kasi pwede nang magtrabaho sa corporate office. So, pinagsabay ko siya, studying and working. And this is something na hindi ko talaga kinakahiya as a story because this story is empowering and this is actually the reason why also that I advocate for child welfare. Because supposedly, children should enjoy childhood lang. But unfortunately, some kids have to be awakened na and mamulat sa hirap ng buhay ng early age. And naranasan ko yon sa buhay ko. And with me naman, with my experience, it's very important sa akin na there are people who helped me along the way. And I even can't believe that I made it this far. Never in my life I would imagine na mapapasali ako sa Binibining Pilipinas. And now I am here. Also, now I am a dentistry student.
Wow.
2 years na lang. Magiging doctor na ako. So I'm super happy about that. And I'm trying to reach both of my dreams now, which is to be a dentist and to be the next Binibining Pilipinas. So I'm just so excited for what's next in my life. And only if we can give the same support and pag naniwala lang tayo sa isang bata, imagine what he or she will be in the future.
That's right. Grabe. Sobra talagang nakakatuwa itong mga kasama natin. Very beautiful na at empowered ladies pa. So ngayon, paano nila mapapanood? Diba? I'm sure excited na ating mga kapatid na panoorin ng Binibining Pilipinas. Paano, saan, at kailan?
Opo, mga kapatid, join us live at the Smart Araneta Coliseum to witness the Grand Coronation Night of Binibining Pilipinas 2025 this June 15.
Aired
Yeah, go ahead.
It will be happening at 9:30 p.m. aired at TV5.
Yan.
Yes, dito mismo.
Of course. Saan pa ba?
Tutok na
kapatid
tutok
na
na ang
rin.
lahat.
Yes. Maraming salamat. Annabelle, Alisa, Rada, Alexandra, and Blessy. The
Thank
best
you.
of luck,
Thank you,
ladies.
ladies.
And thank you for coming by.
Thank
Good
you so
morning,
much and all
kapatid.
the best. Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.